Revision was one of Neville's most practical techniques. Instead of accepting events as final, he taught that you can rewrite them in imagination. This meditation guides you through that process. And now choose one moment. Just one. Perhaps something that did not go the way you wished. A conversation. An interaction. A moment of stress. Or a moment you would simply like to experience differently. Now we revise it. See the scene again, but this time, allow it to unfold exactly the way you would have preferred. If you'd like to practice Neville's revision technique fully, the complete meditation is part of the Neville practice system. Hit the link below. These exercises are designed to help you learn to actually practice Neville Goddard.